What's up, guys? Welcome to Swinging Outdoors. What's up, guys? Welcome to Swinging Outdoors. Tony Sweeney here. Sorry I didn't do an intro when I had everybody. Kind of got a little busy. But we're running the family land right here. I already put people on stands. A little chaotic there for a minute, but everybody's ready to go. Me and the kids about to push these dogs down here, and we're about to see what we can get up, baby. I got some nice bucks on camera, so I'm hoping one's in here. We're hunting in the evening time. I've had the big bucks in the evening in here and a bunch of does, so stay tuned, baby. We're about to bring you another hunt. Let's see what happens. It's Mini Outdoors.
Come on, Daisy. Come on, Daisy. Come here, Gunner Man. Come on, Biscuit. And there you are.
They're rolling over here, guys. They're rolling.
You want me to stay at the top?
On that herd, I think go through here. Hey, Tempo.
Daddy, your radio's making noises again.
Let them burn them, baby. Let them burn them. And that's a herd of deer. Hey, Tempo, I know they're in here. Keep going. Coming to the swamp. Getting ready to pass me right now. Passing me right now. That's where I've seen all the deer at. Yeah, they're staying right to the swamp right now. Out in the water. Are they going in the water, or am I have to tow them back? Can't tell from here. They're still right down here on the water now.
Come on!
Sounds like they're out there in the bottom now.
Woo!
Got two more dogs coming to me right here now. I'm out here with a deer cross on this point. Alright, I still got two in that water, I think. Two of them went back up in the hunt. I just got two more back out of the water. Alright, Tempo, thank you.
Whoop!
Eli, work the edge of the field all the way around to the back that way. What I just told you, work that field all the way down and then go up right and then go left into that. There's a bunch of overlaps in there and come back to me. Go ahead. Oh, I think you were right, brother. About right in this area? Oh, hopefully it's that buck.
Yeah, so that deer must have been bedded right there the whole time.
Yeah, they'll let you get all the way up to them.
Which way they going?
They ain't quite made it out yet. They're still trying to figure it out. I thought that herd was gonna come right to y'all. I know, it don't make no sense. Jerry saw all of them. They crossed the swamp down there. That's what just happened just now.
Hey, so as soon as I saw you, and then y'all split, and when you stopped right there, and you was like, "Keep doing what I told you to do," and I looked over there, and fucking I saw a white tail, and then the dog started going.
Yep.
It's probably been laying there the whole time.
Yeah, they'll sit there and watch you the whole time. I got in my tree stand one time, got all the way up in it, sat down, a doe stood up like right over here, looked up at me and walked off. I'm like, you kidding me right now? There's my stand somewhere around here. Yeah, so yeah, it's nice in here. Y'all see all the buck rubs?
Look, you see this tree with the broken limb there?
Uh-huh.
There's 2 squirrels been fighting since we've been back here.
Yeah.
They come down from the top, hit that broken limb, and the one fell. Hit the fucking, man, I mean, he bounced fucking 4 feet in the air.
Damn.
And he got up and ran. I was like, what? It's like 100-foot drop, man.
Yeah, dude, that's crazy. I seen one do that and it actually died. It broke its neck. I took a picture of it.
Yeah, dang.
But the thing is, it was running from a hawk.
Oh,
And when it died, it fell on the ground and died. And it didn't move. The hawk came, picked it up, and took it all the way back up in the tree. And I don't know what it was doing to it, but I guess it didn't want it after that and dropped it and left.
Damn.
I took a picture of it.
Alive. It wanted to kill it alive.
Yeah, crazy, because I was sitting not 20 yards from it. Look, right in the tree.
God darn.
I've never seen that happen. His name's Sticky. All right, you ready? Let's go up in here. Where you at? Where you at, Chris? Hey, 10-4, we ain't far apart now.
Yeah, I'm on the hill at the first top there.
10-4.
I was kind of waiting for you to get here. If you guys can wait still before I keep going, that way if they start coming backwards, I can try to make them.
Hey, sounds good. I'm crossing the corner of the field now. Woo!
Come on, find him!
Find him up here. Woo!
Come on, up!
Come on, son. Woo!
Come on, up! Find him!
Find him in here.
Find him, Hill. Find it, find it, find it, find it. Find him, Riddler. Find him, Rambo. Find it, Harley girl. Who that? Yo. Uh-huh. I know. When is... Yeah, go ahead. I'm about to crest the top. I'm about to go up this hill. I'm at where the gut creeps between Boweries and the swamp. Like it parallels the swamp. Yeah. I'm at the head of that gut. And I'm about to cut right back up on top of this ridge and try to get up on these tops and see if I can't get a deer up here. Alright, and then I'm just pretty much going to cross the tops. Or you... Yeah. Yep. Yep, that's where I'm going. All right, go. Woo! Eli. Eli. Keep walking. Don't make no noise. Keep walking. Come on, let's get to the next gut. All right, that sounded hot. Hurry up, get to the gut, get to the gut.
Might be going straight at him. Tony, it sounds like deer just ran behind us through that gut.
See if you can get your dogs on them.
My dogs are trying to go with your dogs. They're like going back towards the field almost, up on top.
Hey, y'all boys be ready up there on top.
You ain't got no dogs behind us, do you?
No, all mine are up here on the other gut.
Alright, well, Bubby saw 3 brown things running across the top side of the gut behind us where we just came from.
Dude, that's crazy. I don't know where they would have came from.
I heard them running. Like, I even turned around and started getting ready, but they were going away from us. And Bubby said, I just seen the deer.
Unless they were laying there and watched us walk right by them. When I didn't have the dogs, they were down there with you.
Makes sense. I mean, I'm going to leave the boys right here on top of the hill and try to get the dogs down there to see if I can get on them.
Alright. Dang, I didn't get none of that on film. I just turned my camera back on. It's all good though.
Alright, I'm going to try to put the dogs and the deer behind us.
Going straight to the sawdust pile. Coming straight to you, Chuck. Make sure you keep an eye on that creek too. Bubby said he saw 3 of them. Yeah, Bubs.
Good eye, Bubby.
Tony, them deer came out of the gut, went up in the industrial park, waited for you to go by them, and then ran down the gut.
Something I can think of.
That's what they did, because that's exactly what my dog did.
Looks like they're turning and heading back up the Boweries. They might circle back up over here, Chris.
Bandit. They burning them deer up.
Sounding good. Sounds like they're coming back.
They are.
And I'm pretty sure I just seen a deer back over here by this pond. So y'all be ready down there, Rick and Emily. Four deer head towards that field. And they like to run circles in there too, so be ready.
Dogs look like they're coming back to the mouth of this gut, Tony. Down there where Mike should be at.
10-4. Coming to you, Jerry.
Going toward your wing stand, Tony.
I got somebody there. Who's doing the shoot?
Bub, Grant.
They just crossed the road over here.
Top there, one top, Chris, there, one top.
On top where? Between you and the boys?
Something that's trying to slip out. There's something that's trying to slip out. I got deer going into the industrial park.
Four doors across the road over here by the Connex spot. Some dogs are coming through now.
The deer must have split up, Tony.
Yeah, I got 2 tracks going right now.
All my dogs are up by your wing stand.
Yeah, I got dogs up by Winks, but I got dogs down there by the swamp. I got Sticky. He's getting ready to cross the road by the containers.
You gonna have to tone them back.
I got 3 of them here with me that you're toning, and there's 2 more down a little further coming this way.
Hey, tenfold, thank you. Try to get them back over here so we can push the rest of this out. Couldn't nobody get a shot on any of the deer?
He shot at one of them. He said he got blood. He's looking. But I seen 4 of them come out. Looked like all 4 of them went across the road. They were strapping coming up the road. I couldn't shoot behind me.
Yeah, I still got one dog that stayed on them, and should have been the first dog that crossed. He's over a mile away, so he ain't stopped, so they're still alive. Huh?
I got some videos.
Oh yeah, did y'all get the fox on video?
No, we did not.
Hey guys on top, y'all go over to that blue container and I'll get y'all. Jerry, if you go down the driveway, my truck's right there, if you don't mind grabbing my truck.
Tony, you got any drinks in there?
There's a Mountain Dew right there on the side. I mean, Pepsi.
What was that?
Junior's sitting with somebody on the first part of the house. Judy's still in here.
We just finished the hunt. Got all the dogs rounded up.
Yes, ma'am.
We're just getting some drinks. Got all the dogs.
Okay, black and tan. That's the end of the hunt, guys. We got 2 on the ground. So we're good to go, baby. Smitty Outdoors. Y'all like and subscribe. Yassa.